Welcome back. In this video, I will explain the concept of backpropagation algorithm with the help of simple solid example. This is a given neuron networks. In this, we will consider the learning rate as 0.5. In the neuron network, they are given the input layer, hidden layer and output layer. Also, they are provided the weights and biases with respect to that layers. And here we need to train the network for training tuple, that is 1 1 0, where 1 1 are the inputs and 0 is the target output. In this, we need to update the weights and biases by using backpropagation algorithm. In this, we will assume that sigmoid activation function is used in the network. In the first step, we need to do the initialization. Those are what are the inputs and outputs. Here we have two inputs x1 and x2 and we have the target output. And these are the initial weights and bias values. And here we will consider learning rate as 0.5. Then here we will consider sigmoid function as an activation function. So sigmoid activation function can be calculated by using this formula, that is the sigmoid is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to minus x. In the first iteration, we need to calculate the inputs and output for each layer. Already we know that we have two inputs x1 and x2 and we have one output, that is a target output. First I will consider the input layer, that is for x1 and x2. For x1 and x2, the output will be same as input, so that O1 is equal to I1 is equal to 1, O2 is equal to I2 is equal to 1. Next, I will consider the hidden layer. In this, first I will consider third neuron. For third neuron, we are getting the three inputs, that is for B3 from x1 from x2. So, I3 is equal to output from the first neuron multiplied with W13 plus output at the second neuron multiplied with W23 plus B3. So we know the value of O1, W13, O2, W23, B3. Once you put those values and once you simplify, we will get I3 is equal to 0.8. So once you find the input, next we need to find the output. Output can be calculated by using this formula. Here we need to replace x by I3 value. So O3 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to minus I3. I3 value is 0.8. So once you simplify this one, we will get O3 is equal to 0.69. So next I will consider the next neuron, that is a fourth neuron. For this fourth neuron, again we are getting the three inputs. Those are from x1, x2 and b4. So we'll get the I4 is equal to O1 multiplied with the W14 plus O2 into W24 plus B4. So here we know all the values. Once you put those values and once you simplify, we will get I4 is equal to 0.3. Next, we need to find the O4. Just here we need to replace x by I4. So we will get O4 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to minus 0.3. So once you simplify this one, we will get O4 is equal to 0.5744. So next I will consider the output layer, that is for the fifth neuron. For this one, we have two inputs from third and fourth neuron. So we will get the formula for I5 is equal to O3 multiplied with W35 plus W45 multiplied with O4 plus this bias, that is a B5. So once you put these values, once you simplify this one, we will get I5 is equal to 1.0413. Next, we need to find the output for this fifth neuron. That is, here we need to replace x by I5. Once you replace this one, we will get O5 is equal to 0.7391. So once you find the input and output for each layers, next we need to calculate the error for each node. First, we will calculate the error for the output layer. So to find the error, we need to use the following formula, that is error at j is equal to oj multiplied with 1 minus oj multiplied with tj minus oj, where oj is the output and tj is the target, that is 0. So for this fifth neuron, error at phi is equal to oj, that is O5 multiplied with 1 minus O5 t minus O5. We know the value of O5, so just we need to put that value and we need to simplify this one. So we'll get the error at phi is equal to minus 0.1425. So once you find the error at output layer, now we need to backpropagate this error to hidden layer, that is to the third and fifth neurons. So to find the error at third and fifth neurons, we need to use the following formula. That is, error at j is equal to oj multiplied with 1 minus oj summation of error at k multiplied with wjk for all k. K goes from all output layers. So here we have only one output layer at a fifth neuron. So k will become 5. So once k will become 5, the formula will be error for fourth neuron is equal to O4 1 minus O4. So error at 5 into W45. Here we know all the required values. So once you put those values and once you simplify that one, we will get error at fourth neuron will be minus 0.010451. Next, I will find the error at a fifth neuron. So error at fifth neuron is equal to O3 1 minus O3 error at 5 into W35. So once you solve this one, we will get error at a third neuron is equal to minus 0.030481. Next, we need to update the weights. To update the weight, we need to use the following formula, that is Wij new is equal to Wij volt plus L into OI into error at j, where L is a learning rate. So first I will update the weight at target side, that is W45 new is equal to W45 volt plus L into O4 into error at 5. So W45 volt is 0.3 plus L is 0.5. O4 value is 0.5744 into error at a fifth neuron is minus 0.1425. So once you do the simplification, we will get W45 new is equal to 0.2591. Next, I will update the weight for W35. So W35 new is equal to W35 old plus L into O3 into error at 5. So we will get a W35 new is equal to 0.0508. Similarly, we need to update all the weights. So once the updation is done, next we need to update the biases by using this formula, that is Bj is equal to Bj volt plus L into error at j. So first I will update the bias at a third neuron. So it will become B3 is equal to B3 volt plus L into error at 3. So it will become like this. So we need to put these three values. Once you put these three values, so we will get B3 new is equal to 0.5847. So next I will be update the bias at fourth neuron. So we'll get the new bias at fourth neuron as a 0.4025. Next I will update the bias at fifth neuron. So we'll get the new bias at fifth neuron as a 0.7288. This is how we can update the weights and biases. In this case, I have done with only one iteration. The same thing can be repeated until we get accepted error at output layer neuron. I hope the concept of backpropagation algorithm is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.